Hi everyone. Well, as you know, I've been selling nearly 100 of my Youchoos because I did far too many, but I've been reinvesting some of it in some of those more collectible items that I don't have yet that tend to cost a bit more money and are harder to get. So the first of those is this Johnson 1P. So I already have the LMS and the Midland versions with sound. I love them, but this one was harder to get, but I eventually got it and didn't come with sound, unfortunately, but I found that Youchoos have got a nice sound decoder for it, so I'll put that in and then I'm going to show it with some of the newer stock I've got for that railway and those lovely coaches I already have, which are also hard to get. So I don't know if you can see this, but the body removal is quite straightforward. It's 2 screws at the back, remove the coupling housing and then the coupling below it, the screw below it, and then it should be in. So as you can see, removing the body is quite straightforward for newbies like me. 2 screws at the back, remove the coupling holder, and 1 screw at the front, and the body lifts off. And they're pretty small screws. I can just find them. There we go, look. Especially that little tiny thing there, and the 3 body screws there. And then there's the body with the blanking plate in place. So I'm just going to put the chip in and then try it out. So there it is without the blanking plate in place, and if I can get you to see that, bury the chip on the underside of it. There's only one way it can go, so it shouldn't be a problem to fit that. And there the chip is in place. Very easy to do. Probably one of the easiest, these X18s. So I'll put the body back on, and then we'll try it out, see how well it works. Speakers built in, by the way, already, so no need for an additional speaker. Well, there it is. Let's give it a go. I guess now we need to find some rolling stock for it. Can turn the volume up, by the way. That's another function I've yet got to do.